Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to deactivate Messenger. So if you want to deactivate your Messenger account, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Messenger app on your phone. Once you open it, then tap on the 3-line icon at the left top of the screen, then tap on the gear button, then scroll all the way down, then tap on under the account center, tap on see more in the account center. Then from there you scroll a little bit, then tap on account personal details. From there, then tap on account ownership and control, then you tap on deletion and deactivation or deactivation. Then you tap on the Facebook account or the Facebook profile of the account, then tap on it, then you tap on deactivate, then you tap on continue, and then you input your password, then you follow the next procedure, and that will take you down to where you can deactivate your account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, tap on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.